These lessons are recorded using 4K UHD video assets with aspect ratio 21:9 and 3840 by 1600 resolution, to mimic studio-wide films, and utilize ultra-wide monitors for editing, which is most efficient, or use 2 monitors minimum. You can use your own media with any resolution when following these lessons. We'll do our best to zoom when needed, best if viewed on a 4K monitor while learning these techniques.
The cut page here in DaVinci Resolve has one great new view for quickly going through an entire bin of footage. It has this great feature for seeing and quickly getting through all of the stuff that you shot in that particular day. The first thing to look at are these 3 items right here, which is your source side, looking at whichever clip is highlighted in here. As you click then hover, it loads in the viewer. Or just hover and view in the bin. Notice one feature here. If you have a clip loaded in viewer, then you cannot just hover to see it in the viewer. Click outside in a blank spot to unload. Now you can hover and view in the viewer. Weird but kind of cool at the same time. So I can go through clip by clip and scrub through these. And as I scrub through them, I can go ahead and set in and out points. As I am scrubbing with my mouse hand, with my other hand I am pressing I and O. And then you can see that my marks are showing up here. Let's do the same thing here, but now I'm going to just click and drag and scrub through here. Let's mark another plane landing here, for example with in and out. This pre-marking in case I want to use the shot later on. You can also click M and create marks. See lesson 5 on subclip marking. Back to the 3 icons. Timeline view icon. Now I am on the timeline and my keyboard shortcuts for playback will act on the timeline side. So I can use J, K and L. I'll switch over to the source clip view and hit play forward and play backward. So these same transport controls. That's how to use them while playing back fast controls. But there's one other view that's pretty amazing, and that's this middle one, which is source tape. So again, imagine all of these clips came back today. I'm going to go ahead and click on that and see this timeline down here. Every single clip in this bin is now represented as a single clip in my viewer, separated by these tick marks. So I can scan through an entire day's worth of camera recordings very quickly and set in and out points for the entire day. Press Alt-X to clear our in and out points. And there's another control that's unique, which is fast review. What it's going to do is speed up on longer takes and slow down just a little bit faster than real time on shorter takes. So I can get through hours of footage in a much shorter period of time, while seeing everything that was captured that day.